Welcome to Book Hogs. Today we're going to learn how to write lowercase r and then look at some words that begin with the letter. So let's begin. To write lowercase r, draw the straight stroke first, take it back up and then into the curve, like this. Now let's look at some words. R for raven. R for rest. R for reach. R for rickshaw. And R for rain. If you like this video, please support our channel. It really does help. Give this video the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. We also have free worksheets on our website. Visit bookhogs.com. Thanks so much for watching.